introduce myself. I'm I'm a student of MIT a college situated in Pune. I'm currently pursuing my computer science course and studying for the 5th semester right now. So this is going to be the first video on our channel. We are going to deep dive into all the MERN technologies and the stack of MERN, the various projects you can build on it, how this technology works, what is the science behind it, and how is it going to impact your profile, and what many more things this channel is going to teach you. So just to get this channel started, I'm just going to give you guys my desk setup and how I organize my stuff and how I regularly sit doing all those project stuff. So here we go. That was it, guys. That was our first video just to get this channel started, and it's going to be fun, really. If this video actually reaches out to you, just support this channel because it's going to be fun. Thank you. Bye bye.